Hello friends, today's video in which we will learn about how to color hairs with the help of poster colors. Firstly, I draw outline of the entire hair with the help of HB pencil. For color my drawing, I will use three colors: chrome yellow, burnt sienna and black color. Firstly, for light tone to hairs, I will use yellow color to entire drawing of hair. After yellow color get dried, I will use burnt sienna color for creating mid-tone of this hair drawing. I will use color with the help of strokes. If you are beginner with use of poster or watercolors, so I suggest that you should use 000 number brush for better results. If you want to learn about how to draw hairs, you can see the link in the description box. If you have not subscribed to my channel so far, please subscribe to my channel Shilpa's Creative Art, like videos and share my videos to your friends as possible as. In fashion design, realistic coloring is not so important, but effect of anything should be understood by the others. I will complete entire hair coloring with strokes for mid-tone and dark tone because it gives better visual results in coloring. After completing your mid-tone colors with burnt sienna color, we will use black color for dark tone to hair. This is the final look after coloring. Thank you for watching my video. See you next video.